Artificial intelligence, AI, has become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century, impacting every aspect of our lives, from the way we work and learn to the way we communicate and interact with one another. The rise of AI has brought with it a wave of automation that is reshaping the workforce, changing the way we approach healthcare, transforming the way we interact with technology, and raising concerns about the potential impact of AI on society. One of the most profound impacts of AI is on the workforce. Automation is replacing human workers at an unprecedented rate, with AI-powered machines taking over routine and low-skilled jobs. While this has the potential to improve efficiency and reduce costs, it also raises concerns about the displacement of jobs. However, it is important to note that AI is not a job killer, but rather a job transformer. By automating repetitive and low-value tasks, AI frees up human workers to focus on higher-level activities that require creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. The impact of AI on healthcare is another area of significant development. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI-powered systems can improve patient outcomes and reduce healthcare costs. For example, IBM Watson Health is using AI to help doctors diagnose and treat cancer patients. The system can analyze vast amounts of data from medical records, research studies, and other sources to provide doctors with personalized treatment recommendations. Similarly, Google's DeepMind Health is using AI to analyze medical images to detect diseases such as breast cancer and diabetic retinopathy. These systems have the potential to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare and improve the lives of millions of people worldwide. AI is also transforming the way we interact with technology. Intelligent assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are becoming increasingly popular and are changing the way we interact with our devices. These assistants are powered by AI algorithms that can understand natural language and respond to voice commands. In addition, chatbots powered by AI are becoming more sophisticated and are helping businesses provide better customer service. For example, H&M's chatbot provides personalized recommendations to customers based on their preferences and past purchases. Similarly, Starbucks' chatbot helps customers place their orders quickly and easily. One of the most exciting developments in the area of chatbots is the emergence of GPT-based chatbots. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of AI language model that has been trained on vast amounts of data to generate human-like text. These models have become increasingly sophisticated in recent years, with the latest models such as GPT-3 being able to generate text that is virtually indistinguishable from that written by humans. GPT-based chatbots are able to understand and respond to natural language in a way that was previously not possible, making them much more effective at providing customer service. GPT-based chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers. They are able to provide personalized recommendations and support, answer complex questions, and handle multiple requests simultaneously. This not only improves the customer experience, but also frees up valuable time and resources for businesses. For example, OpenAI's GPT-based chatbot, GPT-3, has been used by companies such as Microsoft and Salesforce to provide more effective customer support and improve the overall customer experience. Despite the many benefits of AI, there are also concerns about its impact on society. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for AI systems to perpetuate bias and discrimination. This is because AI systems are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, then the AI system will be biased as well. For example, facial recognition systems have been shown to be less accurate for people with darker skin tones, highlighting the need for better diversity and inclusivity in AI development. Another concern is the potential for AI to be misused or abused. For example, AI-powered autonomous weapons have the potential to cause significant harm and raise concerns about accountability and responsibility. In addition, the use of AI in surveillance and law enforcement raises questions about privacy and civil liberties. In recent times, AI has begun to automate routine and low-skilled jobs, leading to concerns about the displacement of workers. However, as mentioned earlier, AI is not a job killer but a job transformer. While some jobs may become obsolete, new jobs that require skills such as creativity, critical thinking, and empathy will emerge. In regard to the question of whether AI will become a menace to society, it is important to remember that AI is only as good as the people who use it. While there are concerns about the potential misuse or abuse of AI, it is up to us as a society to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. This requires a multidisciplinary approach that involves not just technology experts, but also ethicists, policymakers, and other stakeholders. It is important to establish ethical frameworks and guidelines for the development and deployment of AI to ensure that it serves the greater good and does not cause harm. In conclusion, the impact of AI on society is both exciting and challenging. AI has the potential to transform the way we work, communicate, and interact with technology, but it also raises concerns about the displacement of jobs, bias and discrimination, and the potential for misuse or abuse. Finally, we need to continue to have an open and honest conversation about the potential risks and benefits of AI, and engage with stakeholders from all sectors to ensure that AI is developed in a responsible and ethical manner. By doing so, we can ensure that AI is a force for good and that it helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems. In the end, it is up to us to shape the future of AI and ensure that it benefits us all. Let us embrace the transformative power of AI, but also recognize the responsibility that comes with it, so that we can build a better, more equitable future for all. In future society. Following the collapse of the cryptocurrency market in June, many in the professional community have been asking big questions about what role cryptocurrencies play in society. While Nouriel Roubini continues with his passionate assertion that 99% of cryptocurrencies are worth zero and that it is fintech and not blockchain that will innovate the banking system, Fidelity, one of the largest mutual fund managers, had just launched its crypto trading desks, and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation has announced a partnership with Ripple's Interledger for mobile payments. It seems that economists and digital innovators are divided on the role that cryptocurrencies and blockchain might play in the financial system. I reached out to Navroop Sahdev and asked her to do a series of interviews to help us better understand the role of cryptocurrencies in future society, of which this is the first. Navroop is an economist and specializes in blockchain technologies both as a researcher and practitioner. She maintains her childhood curiosity and often sounds more like a social anthropologist than an economist. Her TEDx talk on complex systems and innovation is a must-watch for helping to understand how the networked world we live in works and can help us innovate and move from centralized systems. Navroop and I share many interests and communities. Most recently, we were both speaking at the UN SDG Frontier Finance Summit on how blockchain technologies can help to scale the financing and transparency of projects to help achieve the UN's Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, by 2030. Cryptocurrencies can certainly be very valuable to the global economy, and to society in general. Money has always played a critical role in the evolution of society. In order to understand the role cryptocurrencies can play in our future society, let's look at what money does. Money provides four basic functions. It serves as a store of value, an exchange of value, a means of payments, and a common measure of value. Here's an easy way to remember this. Money is a matter of functions four: a medium, a measure, a standard, a store. Alfred Milnes. Historically, it was the invention of money that opened the doors to increased trade, effectively overcoming the challenge of double coincidence of wants and economic growth around the world. But the world that money was invented in had no digital assets. With the invention of the internet and all that it has enabled, we are witnessing a steady transition away of value embedded in physical assets to value created by digital assets. Take, for example, the world's top 5 companies are all technology companies, with data as a primary asset. With that, A fundamental rethinking of the meaning and functionality of money, the primary bearer instrument, is underway. While digital money is not new at this point, the underlying mechanism, where money is pegged to physical assets, hasn't changed since the collapse of Bretton Woods and the advent of the petrodollar in 1974. For a quick history of the petrodollar, see here. With the invention of Bitcoin, as the world's first cryptocurrency, and the current wave of decentralization, a fundamental rethinking of value has been rather overdue.